Hi everyone. The first models, built on Chief and Springfield platforms, arrived in 2016. The Unity of America's first motorcycle company and America's first registered distillery was a hit with select motorcyclists, all 150 editions of the bike selling out within hours. A similar situation occurred for the 2017 Chieftain Limited Edition, all 100 JD Chieftains sold out in 10 minutes. For 2018, this Unity continues, and once again a different platform was used. Meet the 2018 Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Scout Bobber. The custom Scout Bobber pays homage to first responders, and is modeled off of Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade. The Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade. Jack Daniel's is the only distillery in the world that has their own fire brigade, and it's staffed entirely by employee volunteers. The Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade is an impressive showcase of the company's commitment to quality and a remarkable symbol for the passion and dedication shared by Jack Daniel's employees. Calling on the same passion, Indian Motorcycle built this limited edition bike as a tribute to the members of the Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade and first responders everywhere, designing it after the Fire Brigade's world-class fire trucks. Only 177 of these bikes were built globally. The build number is a nod to the old No. 7 brand and makes the owners part of an extremely exclusive club. The Bobber arrives with top factory upgrades, and is highlighted by the gold and black paint scheme that takes influence directly from the Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade. Clockworks used two-tone matte black paint, a first for Indian Motorcycle, and the Bobber covered in real 24-karat gold graphics on the tank and fenders. The 24-karat gold carries through to the Fire Brigade emblem on the tank and the bottles and throttles don't mix emblem on the front fender. Other custom details include a perforated genuine leather seat with Jack Daniel's embroidery and custom grips, pegs, and shift levers inspired by the old No. 7 brand. Premium gloss black finishes on the fender struts, hand control levers, engine valve covers, and exhaust tips, while a gold-colored Indian Scout badge further showcases the attention to detail given in the design of this limited edition bike. Also unique is a one-of-a-kind Montana Silversmith badge that's individually numbered and coated with real 24-karat gold. In addition to the bike's custom accents, it also features chopped fenders, barred mirrors, vented exhaust shields, knobby tires and a sleek headlight nacelle. The public's response to the motorcycles that Indian Motorcycle and Jack Daniel's have collaborated on has vastly exceeded our expectations year over year, said Greg Lures, Director of Events and Sponsorships for Jack Daniel's. In celebration of this great partnership and our own Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade, we are delighted to deliver a bike that honors firefighters and emergency medical services first responders while also reinforcing the message that bottles and throttles don't mix. To celebrate the hard work, commitment, and bravery of all firefighters and EMS first responders, Indian Motorcycle and Jack Daniel's are hosting a sweepstakes only open to these service members. Each bike will come with a commemorative fireman's axe, which will be engraved with the owner's name, motorcycle number and VIN. Pricing starts at $16,999 in the US and $20,999 in Canada. Each bike also comes with a 2-year unlimited mileage factory warranty and free membership in the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group for 1 year. Thanks for watching.